wheels ready for whatever life throws at you. For families, adventurers, or anyone craving something new, Canoo is the future. Today, the van reinvented. Need something smaller? Enter the Renault Kangoo E-Tech Electric, the compact van built for city life. With a 45 kWh battery and up to 186 miles of range, it's perfect for local deliveries or urban errands. The Kangoo's standout feature, Open Sesame by Renault. No B-pillar on the passenger side means a huge side opening for easy loading. Inside, it's all about function, smart storage, durable materials, and a simple, effective infotainment system. Charging is quick 22 kilowatts AC for a full charge in a few hours or 80 kilowatts DC for 100 plus miles in 30 minutes. A heat pump keeps the cabin warm, efficiently preserving range in winter. The Kangoo isn't flashy, but it's reliable, efficient, and affordable. It's the evolution of a proven platform, now electric. For businesses and families in the city, it's a practical, cost-saving choice. The Kangoo E-Tech proves small vans can make a big impact, compact, clever, and ready for the modern world. Sometimes, less really is more. Why are electric vans booming in 2025? It's all about cost, environment, and tech. Lower running costs, electricity is cheaper than gas, and maintenance is minimal. For businesses, that means big savings over thousands of miles. Cities are cracking down on emissions, making electric vans a must for urban fleets. Government incentives, tax credits, rebates, make the switch even more affordable. The driving experience is better, too. Quiet, smooth, and less tiring for drivers and families alike. Modern vans are packed with smart tech. Telematics, fleet management, and real-time data for efficiency. Fleet managers can track vehicles, optimize routes, and schedule maintenance before problems arise.